In this video, I'm going to guide you through on how to add cloud in Adobe Acrobat. Yes, apparently you can do that, and it's very quick and simple. All you have to do is follow along. But before starting, a little disclaimer. I would like to inform that you will not be able to see the toolbar in this video because due to some technical issue while screen recording, apparently toolbar is not visible. I don't know why, but yeah. But I don't think you have to worry because I'm right here. I'm going to guide you through step by step so that there will be no problem at all. So first thing, you have to go for the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat. It's quite simple. I'm pretty confident you can find the toolbar. So let's go to the toolbar, and first thing is you have to go to usually it's at the fourth, but just to make sure once you tap into that icon, you'll be seeing all this different kind of shapes. So that is how you know that you have clicked the right icon. So you have to search for the cloud option, click into the cloud. Once you see that, and all you have to do is now create a cloud. So it's kind of a triangle, but I think that's okay. Okay, so this is the cloud. I'm gonna make a better one, I guess. All right. Okay. Here you go. But I think something is not right because cloud, I think I need to change the color, okay? So in order to change the color, I can simply tap in this. I think I'm gonna go more with the blue. Okay. So I think it's all right. So I think I just made something, but this definitely doesn't look like a cloud. Okay. So in order to, I think I want to make them thicker, so you can also do that. All you have to do is go to the toolbar, go to the very bottom section. You can choose the line thickness, and you'll be seeing the slider. Adjust the slider simply. Now I'll be making more like a thing, kind of cloud. Okay, let's do it again. Give it a try. It's getting more like a polygon, but I think that's okay. So I think you just got the idea, right? So this is basically how you add cloud in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make better cloud than this. So okay, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking our video.